Alright, so right off the bat, POV time, baby. That's what I should probably say first. I'm excited. So artwork's pretty cool. It gives me like a icy Slurpee vibes. But yeah, or King Kong with the artwork. Pretty cool. 100 shots. It's like the cake taking over, but this is a lot heavier and bigger, and it's a 500. Sure. So like I said, 500 gram cake, 100 shot salute, I guess you can call that. Like I said, Black Diamond Firework. If you know, you know, with that brand. And let's just dive into it. So I'm gonna start right here. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. Sometimes it's kind of hard for me to know what to say because there's only so much I can say about a firework besides just showing y'all the performance. So just bear with me. Still trying to learn, to be real. And like how I was saying, mother trucker, I'm not really a fan of these type of cakes just because it's kind of bland for me depending on the scenario. But other than that, I know it's still a banger ass cake. But if you guys want to be real with y'all, alrighty, let's go. Another cardboard, pretty sick. Okay. Hell yeah. So what I found interesting right as soon as I pulled that freaking cardboard out is this little support beam right here. This is actually something new I have never seen. I don't even know if that makes sense. But I had never even, oh my god, I'm gonna say it again. I never seen a piece of plywood right here. That's freaking crazy. So you get 3 of them. Okay, pretty cool. So the fuse is right here. This is the inside. Honestly, even inside the boards too, I gotta get a light, man, sorry. It's actually a little bit more fuller than the halfway point, so that's pretty cool to see or to know, keep in mind, so you guys can see what you guys are paying for. And let's just go off with the measurement. So with the width, you're looking at 14 inches, pretty cool. And for the height, you're looking at 9 inches. So 9 inches and 14, 9 by 14, I guess, or 14 by 9 for the ice. So pretty cool. I'm excited. Oh, it is pretty heavy. But yeah, blew mine. All salute cake. Mid speed, I'll probably say, till it gets towards the end from what I seen. Sick ass artwork. Black Diamond. All right, let's get to the shooting site. Let's go. Oh shit, hell yeah. We got one ice. Black Diamond was the other one. Sure.
Say when, Papa? Want me to stagger a few seconds?
No, it's good. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, that was stuff. Hell yeah. All out, baby. For reals.
Bro, that shit was sweet.
That shit was nice. Freaking solid. Here's my little stand. Here's another POV. Shoot, I feel like I have so many. But make sure you guys like the video. Other first clip got deleted somehow. But other than that, I'm gonna rate this cake a 9. Probably a 9 out of 10. Very solid. But mainly one thing that really I enjoyed a lot was just the blue, as you guys seen. Very, very different and very bright too. The blue in person is very nice. But yeah, man, that's pretty much it. there's only so much I can say about salutes. But shit, and not to mention very loud. Catch you guys on the next one. It's gonna be a banger.